Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Arshad, and in our last lecture we learned how we can use page items in our application. Today we will learn some more page items which are simple select list, or we can say LOV, and then we will see how we can create cascading LOV in Oracle Apex application. So let's start. Open your browser and go to Apex. Provide your password. Go to App Builder. Select your application and create a new page, blank page, and then we need to create a page cascading LOV and next create navigation menu entry and finish. So here we have our page. Let's create a new region over here, and then we want to create a new page item over here. Create page item, and uh, then we need to change its type to select list. So this is select list. So here we need to provide list of values. So we have list of values type share component, then we have SQL query, and then we have static values. So let's start with static values. So here we have static values, yes, and then we have no, and when users select yes, then value should be saved in database y, and in case of no, and value will be saved in your database or your application. Okay, run your page. So here we have a list, yes, no. You can change its title from new to active. Okay, so this is our list of values. Similarly, you can provide static values, and if you want to get values from your SQL query, you can provide your SQL query. Let's suppose we want to share department ID and department name over here, or country ID or country name over here, or regions. So let's suppose I want to show regions. So select region underscore name, then region underscore ID from regions. Okay, validate your query. So it is validated successfully. Okay, run your page again, and you will see values are coming from our database, and we have all the regions over here. So one thing that you have noticed, when page loads, there is no selected value in our LOV. So if you want to selected values of these switches, so save your page and reload your page again. So here we have first value selected. So the other type of is shared components. So if you want to use this LOV more than one or two pages, or more than two pages, then you should create your LOV in your shared component. So let's create our SQL, our LOV in our shared component. So go to your application, then shared components, then we have list of values, and I already have regions LOV in my shared components. So you can create your new LOV, or you can use this regions LOV. So I create a new LOV from scratch, and name of the LOV is countries, and it's dynamic. So name, here we need to provide table countries. Next, it is table based. Okay, and create. Okay, go back, and it is a query based. Okay, select country ID, country underscore name. Sorry, country name must be a first column because we want to show a country name, and then save country ID in our database from countries. Validate your query, so it is validated. Next, so here we have a return value is country ID, and display name is country name. Create. So our shared we have created countries LOV in our shared component. It's countries, not country LOV. So rename it LOV. Save it. So we have countries LOV and regions LOV. So go to your application, then go to your page, cascading LOV, and here we have our LOV, and we want this LOV from shared components. So remove this SQL query with shared components and select regions LOV from shared components. So now we create a new LOV. So duplicate this LOV. This is regions LOV. Name it regions, and this is countries LOV. Countries, both list of values using shared components. Okay. Here we have list of values. Okay, so you can search here list of values, shared components, and the second one LOV is based on countries. Okay, run. So here you can see we have Asia, we have Europe in our regions, and here we have countries. But one thing that you must notice over here, when I click on regions, countries of that region not shown in countries LOV. First of all, we need to change its title. Here we have is regions, and then we have countries over here. Its label is countries. Okay, now we want, whenever I select a country, whenever I want to collect, whenever I select regions, countries of that selected region should be shown in our countries LOV. So for that you need to select your countries LOV, and here we have option of cascading list of values, parent items. So here we need to select parent items. So parent item is regions, and items to submit is no, there is no need to submit items over here. Here we need to define parent regions only. So P30 regions is parent item of this list of values. So save it and run it again, and let's see what results we have over here. Asia. So we have Asia region countries. Let me check Europe, and here we have Argentina. Here we have Argentina. So it is middle. Here we have Argentina. So it is not refreshing itself. So we need to submit items to submit. So we need to submit regions items, so that that region ID should be shown in our countries. Okay, run it again. So select Asia, so then Europe. It is not showing required results. So to get our required results, we need to change query of our countries shared component. So go to your shared components, and where is list of values? Here we have list of values, countries, and delete this. LOV, just select this query. Okay, delete this. Okay, LOV has not been used. Okay, it is we are using in our page, that's why it is giving us error. You cannot delete this LOV. So go here and select list of values and select it as a query. Paste your query here. Okay, and here we need to provide a where class, WHERE, where region ID, region score ID equal to P30 and regions. Okay, whenever I select any region in our region select list of values, that region ID should be in place in this query. This is the way to select item value in our PL SQL. So validate your query. Validated. Okay, so we don't need to delete it from shared components, because we are not using for countries in our shared in our application right now. Okay, run your application. Here we have a page cascading LOV. Select Asia. It is still not working. Okay, let me check. Here we have a error, and okay, restart your application. Or run it again. Here we are getting some PLSQL related error. So inspect and see what is the error. Console uncurrent every first field is not defined. Okay, okay, close your browser, open your browser again, go to localhost and provide your password, Apex application, and run your page again. Still we have now select Asia, and then we have regions, countries of Asia region. Now select on Europe. So here we have countries of Europe, and then select Middle East. Then we have countries of Middle East. So now it's working fine. So this is our cascading LOV. Child LOV refresh itself based on selected parent region. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.